Okay, all right, guys. Welcome to my channel.
Yo, yo,
Okay, hello and namaste, everyone. Welcome to my channel. So after a very long time, I'm going to make a long form video, and in this video, I'll talk about what project currently I'm doing, and am I doing internship or something like that. I'll talk like that, and currently, I'm working on student management system. For the front end, I'm using React. To build the front end project, and for the back end I'm using Spring Boot, and for the database I'm using MongoDB. So let's see how much I have done till now, and it's about 15 to 20 days progress. So I'm learning from the scratch. That Spring Boot I'm learning from the scratch. React I have seen previously, but I have forgotten many concepts, but currently I'm learning and making the okay, all right, guys, we are in the computer screen right now. So I have made here student management system project. Here is my project named as student management system. So here is both front end and back end. I have used React for my front end, that I have already explained you, that I have used React for my front end project, and for my back end I have used Spring Boot. So let's see, I have currently made up to this much: cd front and then npm run dev. And for writing my Java codes of backend projects, I'm using IntelliJ right now. So let me show you. Okay, here are a lot of code. I'm just learning the flow of Spring Boot. It is really the vast language. The Spring Boot especially works on the three layers. Let me show you how much I have done. I have done like this much. Yes, I have created users also, and here is student controller, teacher controller, and user controller. And for everyone I have created this separate folder, and this is the main folder from where the Spring Boot project runs. So let me show you by running this project. It is currently running, and I have already opened this. Control C, and let me open it in the browser. Control V. So this is my front end UI. I have not make the UI very good, but at least I'm understanding the flow of this project. Means at least I can enter my username and password here, and it get stored in the MongoDB database through Spring Boot. So currently I have achieved this much, and we can sign up here, and the username and password that must be matched. Means I have also authenticated this. I have authenticated also. So let me show you. Balen as username, and Balen @gmail.com, and password is Balen123. Balen123. Here password must match. Means if I entered this password and confirm password different, then also it shows that alert box. Means it is authenticated from the front end. It's not back end, it is authenticated from front end. Balen123. Balen123. So account created successfully. So my username is Balen, and the password is Balen123. So let me use that same. Balen, I think it is the capital one. Balen, and then BALEN123. Logging in. Oh yes, finally I get into this dashboard. The UI is not very good, but at least I'm understanding the flow of this project. So welcome Balen. I have stored that username in the local storage, and I have shown this here. And also I am going to show you something. Means let me show you the data. Where is the data stored? it is stored here in the MongoDB Compass. So let me show you the username and password is stored there or not. First let me connect. It is connected and it is, I think, stored here inside the users, and at last is there Balen or not. Yes, here is our ID and password. It is stored as the JSON. The data is usually stored in the JSON format. So this much I have done till now, and for this project there are more things to be done, like role based authentication, and then something like two-step verification, and maybe like that fee section, student section. Yeah, I have also added that student also. So let me show you where is that one. Here I can add student also. Currently I am working on this to display the data of the student. Currently I am working on that, but if I enter here the student data, then the student data gets stored in the backend also. So let me show you that also. Balendra age, Balendra means 34 maybe, and grade is how much? 20. Parents name Bir Bikram. Contact number 98, don't know. Add student added successfully. So let me show you in my backend also, is that stored or not, student entry, and at last here the data of student is also stored in the JSON format. So currently I have worked this much. So further I will continue this project, and also learning the new concept and implementing in this project. So this much for today, and if you have any suggestion regarding this project, and if you have any opportunity that you think I deserve, then you can inbox me. I have given the mail ID in my bio. So thank you for watching. Keep coding, keep hustling. Bye bye.